So quite obviously, the biggest concern these days when you're buying a new blower isn't actually how good is it at calling people. Nope, the burning question is, will it take an awesome looking selfie for slapping on Instagram and making people believe I have the best life ever? Now, in recent times, Huawei has confidently established itself as one of the most accomplished crafters of smartphone camera tech, so it's not exactly a massive shock that the Huawei P40 Pro comes rocking one of the best camera setups of 2020. Around back, you'll find the super upgraded Ultra Vision Leica quad camera, while flipping the phone over reveals a dual selfie shooter, giving you a grand total of 6 different lenses for capturing your everyday existence. It sounds like a pretty complicated setup for sure, but the beauty of the P40 Pro is its complete ease of use. This clever wee blower is definitely the perfect weapon for anyone who wants to grab absolutely gorgeous looking pics and home movies of the entire fam while putting in absolutely bugger all effort. Just point and shoot and the phone does all of the hard graft, ideal for lazy buggers like me. So let's have a bit of a stroll through all of the very best camera features here on the Huawei P40 Pro, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! And when you open up that camera app, the first lens to kick into action is Huawei's fresh 50 megapixel snapper with built-in optical image stabilization designed specially for these P40 handsets. This boasts larger pixels than previous Huawei flagships for even better low light and HDR performance. Plus, that pixel binning tech also helps to brighten up shots when the lighting conditions are a bit on the tricky side. And if for whatever reason you're trying to take photos in near darkness, well, no worries. Huawei's dependable night mode is back on board, and it's still some crazy voodoo shenanigans, capturing impressive detail and accurate colours that you really will struggle to see even with the naked eye. But the best bit is definitely the fresh phase detection photo diode tech. Basically every single pixel on that sensor is used to help the camera focus, with 2 individual focal points per pixel, or 8 if you're using the 4-in-1 pixel binning tech. So basically what you can expect is an autofocus that's not just super fast, but it's also super accurate. And of course, as any mum or dad will tell you, that is absolutely essential if you're the proud owner of one of those small hyperactive human being things, for getting clean shots of them in full arm waving action. Blurry crappy pics truly are a thing of the past. On top of that, there's also a nifty move and picture mode which captures a bunch of frames every time you poke that shutter button. If you're not happy with the selected image, just tap edit and you can choose another frame to save as your final pick instead. Job done. And speaking of which, Huawei's photo editing tool is now smarter than ever thanks to the fresh new golden snap tools, which will help you sort out a wonky pic in no time at all. While photo bombers might not be the biggest problem right now if you're in full-on lockdown, the P40 Pro's AI smarts can helpfully remove any unwanted intruders from the background of your pics for a cleaner, smarter finish. And it's also possible to temper those pesky reflections when you're shooting through glass, which will be a fantastic feature when we're finally allowed to visit museums and stuff like the London Eye again. As always though, one of the most impressive features here on the Huawei P40 Pro is that portrait mode. The bonus time of flight lens helps to accurately judge the distance between you and your subject, so the P40 Pro can keep them pin sharp while blurring out any background noise. You can throw in a variety of effects to jazz up your portrait snap, but even on the default settings you'll grab some great family shots worthy of any album. And that telephoto lens is also perfect for snatching shots of the fam without getting right in their faces, thanks to its 5x optical zoom and its 10x hybrid zoom. At that 5x level, you'll start to see grainy or fuzzy pics with most other smartphone cameras, but you can get really up close with the P40 Pro to capture natural looking photos without any sacrifice to the quality. And even at that 10x level, my test pic still looks good when I toss them up onto a big telly screen. And the final lens around back is a clever 40 megapixel ultra-wide cine camera. You can use this not only to grab a snazzy ultra-wide pic, but also to shoot up to 4K resolution video at a stunningly lifelike 60 frames per second, all with that slightly surreal viewpoint. In fact, the video chops here on the P40 Pro have been seriously upgraded compared with the older P30 handsets. Now you can capture an impressive amount of detail and colour clarity as well in low light, while the image stabilization is smoother than my baldy bonce. In fact, you can even shoot footage using that telephoto lens, and the super clever stabilization will help to keep everything ridiculously steady, even at 10 or 15 times zoom. I also love the various video filters that you can play about and experiment with. These can make everything look all super sparkly, or mess around with the colours for all kinds of bizarre and cool results. Any wannabe indie film directors out there can definitely go to town and craft some unique looking footage. Now, while there's a stack of clever camera tech slapped there on the back end of the P40 Pro, Huawei definitely has not forgotten you selfie lovers. So up front you've got a 32 megapixel primary lens backed by another time of flight sensor to help you get the same super accurate portrait shots as the rear camera setup. That means perfect edge detection and full control over those bokeh effects again, so you'll look prettier than a bunch of roses tied up with a bouquet of bacon. The HDR abilities are once again crazy good, producing well balanced photos with plenty of detail and strong colour capture. And if you want to drop some Instagram action at the club, no bother. In low light, you'll still get some good looking snaps. Even if the club in question is basically just your spare room with some funky disco lighting and a spot of Chaz and Dave slapped on the radio. Oh well, here's to another wild and crazy Saturday night. And the Huawei P40 Pro is also one of very few smartphones that allow you to shoot up to 4K resolution footage at up to 60 frames per second using that front-facing selfie setup. So if you fancy yourself as a bit of a vlogger, you can get some supremely crisp, silky smooth footage out of that bad boy. Lovely stuff. So there you have it, that is an in-depth tour of the Huawei P40 Pro's very clever camera tech. Definitely one of the best shooters on a smartphone in 2020. Go check out the rest of my coverage on the Huawei P40 Pro for all you need to know about this clever wee handset. And please do poke subscribe, ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a lovely week. Cheers everyone. Love you.